Hi, this is Kamal Kenyatta again in video number 4. In this video, we're going to show you how to add video to your post. Adding video is a little bit different than adding posts, so it's a little bit more involved, and there are a couple of ways that we can do, a couple of things that we can do to this. Okay, number one, you can add a video into your post, anywhere into your post. For example, if you want to add your video, wherever you want to add your video, put your cursor in the space that you want it, or the place that you want it. So we're going to place it right here under this rock right here. Now, in order to get to your video, you must go to YouTube or some other media site and get the audio. I'm going to choose this audio here, this video by Frankie Valli and the Four Seasons. And what you would do is go into your browser address bar, click on the link there, copy it, and then you go back to your post and go to Add Media. And here you're going to come over, because it's not going to be in here in the media library. You're going to insert from your URL. You simply paste your URL in there, insert into post, and it's there. Now let's take a look to see what it looks like. We save it. And then we preview it. So you'll see what it looks like on the site. Here you have your featured image at the top, as we did before, your title, your content, your other images, and here is the video with the rest of your content here. And all one has to do is click on the video and they can hear it, see it and hear it. Okay, you can go and listen to that on your own time. Okay, now we go back to the post, edit it, the edit post, and let me get rid of these. You may notice that as you go in and view your post, it will continue to add and leave the old sections there. You want to delete those so that you don't get confused. All right, that's one way of putting the video in. We're going to delete that video there. You just click on the video and remove right there. Now, the other way to add the video is to go scroll down on the right hand side of your page, and you'll see this format box here over to your right. Standard formatting, video, audio, quote, and so forth. What we've been using is the standard. Now, if you're doing a video, there's another way to add a video. You click on this video format here, and what happens if you scroll down the page, you will see these extra settings here, video format options. And here you can put the video URL in, the same one that we used just a few minutes ago. We'll add that here. And there's nothing else for you to do there. But I'm going to show you something here. We have already added a featured image. So that featured image is still going to be there. If you have a featured image and you want to add a video, the video is going to take the place of the featured image in that spot at the top of the page. I'll show you what it will look like so that if you run into this problem, you'll know what's happening. Okay, so let's save this draft. And let's take a look at it Preview it. And now the video is going to be at the top of the page. But as you can see, your featured image is there as well. If your featured image does not line up with or is not coordinated with your video, you don't want your video, your featured image there. So now when we click this on, the video is actually going to play. The correct video is going to play, as you can see. It's there at the top of the page. Okay, let's go back and I'll show you how to get rid of that image and you'll see what happens. We come back to the post area. We scroll down to the featured image and we're going to click remove featured image. And once you do that, you go back up, you save it again, and you preview it here. And you'll see now the image of Frankie Valli will be at the top as the featured image with the video. Voila. And you click it on, it's there, the rest of your content is here. So that's how you can add video to your posts.